On this video, I will show you on how to put subtitles on our YouTube videos. But before that, please do me a favor, please subscribe and smash the notification bell icon. Anyways, without any further ado, let's move on to our topic. On your mobile menu, select YouTube app. Let's take a look at one of the videos there if the subtitles are working. So now let's see. While the creator's delivering her speech, we couldn't see any sign of the subtitles. So now let's back again to our main menu and tap YouTube app. Tap profile icon, your settings, and down there, your captions. The moment you choose to click captions, this would appear on your screen. There are 5 choices where you could select whatever fonts you would like to put in your videos. And before I select, I would like to explore first what are the best fonts for my videos. So would it be normal, small, very small, large, or very large? And for me, I would select small so that our videos will stand out even if there is subtitles working on it. And I prefer to select black and white. It would be nice by looking like that. And now let's go back again to our channel. Let's select some videos and let's see if the subtitles are visible on that video. Let's see. Yeah, there you have it. Now, see? You see those 3 little dots right there in the right corner? You have to select captions, turn on captions, then captions again, and select English auto-generated. There you go. Subtitles are now ready, are now visible on that video. So nice. So everyone can understand what the creators wanted to say. And that's all for today. I hope I could inspire and encourage those who are not putting subtitles on their videos. Thank you for watching, and please do comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you.